Hello and welcome to Flipkart. I'm Vishwa Gulati and today we will explore the features of this non-smart television. But before I dive into its features, here's a quick way to look at this range of televisions. Non-smart TVs usually come in two types of resolutions, HD Ready and Full HD. What makes Full HD TV different from HD Ready TVs is the sharpness of its picture quality. If you're on a tight budget and looking for a smaller screen size, you can opt for a HD Ready TV. An HD capable TV produces a resolution of about 1366 into 768, which is just about enough to watch DTH or regular over-the-air TV programs. On the other hand, a Full HD TV will give you significantly better clarity over an HD TV, all the way up to screen sizes of 50 inches. And hence, with this option, you get a crisper 1920 into 1080 pixel resolution. Now, most DTH and cable TV service providers offer Full HD Ready TV set-top boxes, but not all content is available in Full HD. However, the content landscape is fast evolving and soon moving to 4K or Ultra HD. Selecting the right resolution will depend on the type of content you consume. While Full HD is a sweet spot, 4K is a good bet for future readiness. The next most important point while buying your television is what screen size you should pick. Your overall room size and the type of content you'd like to watch decides your next selection. For a bedroom where your viewing distance is about 5 feet, a screen size of 32 inch would be ideal. While for a larger room, you can choose a screen size of 40 inches and above. Now moving on, these TVs have been carefully designed keeping in mind your everyday entertainment needs. With an array of connectivity options, now you can plug in your USB or HDMI and enjoy your favorite films uninterrupted. Refresh rate is how often a TV changes the frames on screen. With traditional televisions, this was 50 times each second or 50 Hz. Some modern televisions can refresh at much higher rates, most commonly 100 Hz. Most of these televisions come with a motion rate of 50 Hz to 100 Hz, offering a blur-free viewing experience. So while picking your television, remember, higher the motion rate, better your viewing experience. Now talking about the sound system, a 50-watt speaker system is ideal for TVs up to 40 inches. Go with 20-watt plus rated sound systems for larger televisions for enough headroom for those movie marathons. Some TVs also come with inbuilt woofers which provide a pronounced bass response. You can even connect external soundbars to this TV for a more surreal experience while you are watching your favorite action movies or listening to your favorite music. Let's check it out. And that's not all. This television has more to offer. Not only you can watch your favorite TV channels, but you can also connect your laptop or personal computer with the help of a VGA or HDMI connection and enjoy your PC content on these TVs. Most LED TVs come with at least 2 HDMI ports for your HD set-top box and Blu-ray or DVD player. A couple of more ports will ensure that you aren't left high and dry after buying that shiny new gaming console. A USB port is very handy if you want to play content directly from pen drives and external hard drives on your television. You can also connect streaming devices like Chromecast to your television through the HDMI port to access video content so that you can enjoy your favorite shows on the big screen on the comfort of your couch. In addition to that, you can also use screen mirroring on this television through Chromecast and enjoy your favorite content on the big screen. So friends, to sum it all up, with a beautiful design, versatile connectivity and sound options, and a great HD viewing experience, this range of televisions are a great addition to your living room and your life. So are you still thinking? Come on board and join the Flipkart family now. You just have to sit back and relax while we bring to you premium entertainment experience with easy product exchange options, a quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo, and a short brand warranty. That's all from me now. See you soon and have a perfect buy.